Hi everybody, hi all the viewers. Welcome to Teacher on Palm YouTube channel. In this part of the video, now we discuss about the question and answers for all the word stage. For the learning convenience, as it is already said that the lesson is divided into three parts. Part first and second contained explanation, analysis, examples and discussion. Now this is part 3 goes with the question and answer. Let us move on to the question and answer part. Some statements are given below. Some are true and some are false. Tick of T or F. T for true, F for false. Sai looked very athletic. Sai used to tell fantastic stories to her friends. Even as a child, Sai had published a book. Her grandfather did not take it seriously when she stepped on a book. Paranjpai was a senior wrangler. One of the Maharashtrian children's game is Marriage of Dolls. Sai told a story to her grandfather. Sai learned to regard books with respect. This is the question. Even question ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Let us answer one by one. Sai looked very athletic. Whether it is true or right, Sai looked very athletic. ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಟ್ರೂಗೆ ಟಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಫ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Sai looked very athletic. What is that? That is false. She's plump girl, no? Sai used to tell fantastic stories to her friends. True. Even as a child, Sai had published a book. True. Her grandfather did not take it seriously when she stepped on a book. False. Paranjpai was a senior wrangler. True. One of the Maharashtrian children's game is Marriage of Doll. True. Sai told a story to her grandfather. True. Sai learned to regard books with respect. True. Some important events in the story are given in a jumbled order. Put them in the order in which they are given in the text. This is Sai's drawing. Sai is drawing the attention of the playmates. Grandfather telling her to treat a book with respect. The usual sight of grandpa and Sai playing together. The wedding of dolls. Sai is telling a story to her grandfather. ಇವು ಜಂಬಲ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದಾವೆ. Let us rearrange them. The usual sight of grandpa and Sai playing together. Sai is telling a story to her grandfather. Grandfather telling her to treat a book with respect. Sai is drawing the attention of the playmates. The wedding of dolls. Read and discuss your responses with your partner. Then write. Describe how grandfather and Sai enjoyed each other's company. Both of them are enjoying like friends and companions. They are playing, walking, talking, also joking. In the walking, grandfather puts some mathematical problems and tells related fables. Why was grandfather very much impressed by Sai's story? Being an 80 years girl, Sai created a story full of fun with dragons, princess, talking parrots and hidden gold. The entire story was her imagination. Hence, grandfather impressed very much. What do you think was the great achievement of Sai as a child? Mulancha Mera is the great achievement which is published in her age of just 8 years. Describe the incident in the library. One day, Sai stepped on a book by mistake. As she rushed into the library, "Stop right there," ordered her grandfather. Sai froze. "Do you know what you did? What you just did? You kicked knowledge. That's what you did. Now ask forgiveness for the book." Sai bent meekly and did namaskar to the book. How was Sai able to win over her friends? When she was insulted, sat by sidelines. Soon she cried out, "Ha! I know of a lovely game. It's a magic island full of hidden treasure." The maids who were playing gathered around her to listen to her story. In no time she cast a spell of magic. They not only the listened to the fantastic story but were also ready to take roles and act as she directed. This went on not for a day or two, but for whole week. What surprise awaited Sai one day as she came back from school. On that day when she came back from school, the whole house looked like a marriage hall. Before she could say anything, she was dressed like a bride's mother. The band arrived. The groom rode on a real steed. All the children of the locality took part. The bride was brought with all religious chantings. Write a paragraph on each of the following topics. Do it in pairs. Prepare first and final drafts, then complete them with those of your partner. Sai's talents, even as a child, Sai listened stories every day from her grandfather. When he asked her to tell a story, she created a fairy tale replete with dragons and princess talking parrots and hidden gold. Once she created a story about a magic island full of treasure, transformed it into a drama, and made all her mates participate. Directed the drama also. In the age of just 8 years old, she published a book, Mulancha Nera. Lessons she learned from her grandfather. Once by mistake, she stepped on a book. Suddenly, his grandfather noticed and advised her to respect the knowledge and said her to ask forgiveness for the wrongdoing. She learned from her grandfather not to dog ear the corner of any page. Listening to the fables consequently, she learned to create and narrate stories. She knew how to give respect to elders, to the books, and to the maids. The incident of the wedding of dolls. On that day when she came back from school, the whole house looked like a marriage hall. Before she could say anything, she was dressed like a bride's mother. The band arrived. The groom rode on a real steed. All the children of the locality took part. The bride was brought with all religious chantings. The incident of the wedding of dolls. On that day, when she came back from school, the whole house looked like a marriage hall. Before she could say anything, she was dressed like a bride's mother. The band arrived, the groom rode on a real steed. All the children of the locality took part. The bride was brought with all religious chantings. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate words chosen from among the ones given in brackets. Sai was dash of telling stories. Her grandmother was dash by this talent of hers. Though she was not dash at sports, she used to dash her friends with her dash of fancy. Even as a child, she had dash a book of fairy. Here are the words in the bracket to select. Impressed, good, published, fund, flights, tales, entertain. We have to use suitable one of the suitable words ಅಲ್ವಾ ಒಂದು ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು we have to pick up and fill up the blanks. Okay, let's fill up. Sai was dash of telling stories. Sai was fond of telling stories. Her grandfather was impressed by this talent of hers. Though she was not good at sports, she used to entertain her friends with her flight of fancy. Even as a child, she had published a book of fairy tales. Some terms that describe people are given below. Classify them under desirable and not desirable categories. Complaining, creative, imaginative, short-tempered, lazy, spirited, social, glum, jovial, innovative, lethargic, double-tongued, lax, jealous, creative. ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. Let us take desirable and not so desirable. Let us take one by one. Desirable, creative is desirable, and imaginative, spirited, social, jovial, innovative. And complaining is not so desirable, short-tempered, lazy, glum, lethargic, double-tongued, lax, jealous. Give the antonyms of the following and use them in the blanks appropriately. Short, fast, dim, beginning, young. And a man appeared on the stage walking dash at the dash of the play just before the close of the show. Soon the audience stood up as the lights were switched on. In that dash light, they could see the director, a dash man with an imposing figure. Let us fill up. First we have to make the opposites ಅಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಂಥವಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು we have to fill up the blanks. And tall, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, tall, and tall man appeared on the stage walking slowly. ಅಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್, slowly. At the end, beginning ಇದೆ, end of the play, just before the close of the show. Soon the audience stood up as the lights were switched on. In that bright light, ಅಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ dim ಇದೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, bright light, they could see the director, a old, young ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, old man with an imposing figure. Give the negative forms of these words using a prefix. Change the article if necessary. A familiar sight, a used towel, a prepared speech, an attentive soldier, a successful attempt, an organized show, a satisfied person. We have to make negative no. For a familiar sight, an unfamiliar sight. A used towel, an unused towel. A prepared speech, an unprepared speech. An attentive soldier, an inattentive soldier. A successful attempt, an unsuccessful attempt. An organized show, a disorganized show. A satisfied person, a dissatisfied person. Okay. Teacher says the following words aloud. Repeat after the teacher. Write them in the appropriate columns. Okay. A, I, E. ಇವನ್ನ ಡಿಪ್ತಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಡಿಪ್ತಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟೂ ವೋವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್. ಎರಡು ಓವಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಡಿಪ್ತಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಓವಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೊನೊಥಾಂಗ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ, ಇ ಇದೆ, ಎ ಇದೆ, ಇ ಇದೆ, ಎ ಇ, ಎ ಇ. ಎ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮೊನೊಥಾಂಗ್, ಇ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮಾನೋತಾಂಗ್. ಇವೆರಡು ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ ಎ ಇ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಪ್ತಾಂಗ್. ಎರಡನೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅ ಇದೆ, ಇ ಇದೆ, ಐ, ಡಿಪ್ತಾಂಗ್. ಮೂರನೇದು ಒಯ್, ಒಯ್, ಅದು ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಪ್ತಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ಗೆ ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರಂತ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಮಾಮೂಲ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಂಥ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ, ಈಗ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಲೌಡ್ ಅಂತ ಆ ತರ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಇದು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೋನೆಟಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಐ ಐ ಒಯ್, ಇವು ಫೋನೆಟಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಅನುಸರಿಸಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ learn the proper pronunciation. ಇದನ್ನ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್. ಇಫ್ ವಿ unaware of those symbols, it is better to consult the dictionary ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get, and teachers will help you. ಟೀಚರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ without wasting any time they will clarify. ಏನು ತಡ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಟೀಚರ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ತಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೋ. ಡೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಡೇ, shape, laid, made, train, play, place, plane, high, why, sky, nine, shine. For that, voice, wide, choice, moisture, boy, loiter. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe to this channel, like it and share it. Make use of the video. Watch and read along with the video until you get good comment on it. Okay, all the best, all of you, all the best, all of you. Thanks once again.